Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about an entertainer among entertainers. And without further ado, I present to you an entertainer who needs no introduction. And do you have anything to add to that, Lulu? Okay, then.
That about says it all.
Okay, then let's present Mitzi.
Wait, did you say she was a singer among singers?
Yes, I did.
Well, did you say she was a musician among musicians?
Gee, I don't remember, girl.
Well, did you say her mother drives a Lincoln Continental?
No.
My girlfriend told me he's no good. He'll hurt you one day. I never really understood till the Dragstrip took him away. Nicky was my boyfriend, so slick, so sharp, so cool. His hot rod was his toy friend, till he challenged him to a duel. He took his car up to the Dragstrip. The other gang was there. They called themselves the Egg Race. They made him take the dare. A car took off a burning rubber in a fiery cloud of smoke. Nicky would have been the winner till his rear end axle broke. No, 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 no. Now Nicky's gone away from me. He never said goodbye, but he'll be safe and sound. Oh no! In the
Mask is gonna fall off.